See how to generate a tailored investment roadmap by answering a few key questions about your financial goals and risk tolerance. We begin in the main dashboard, navigating to the portfolio section where we can manage wealth and monitor performance. To design a personalized investment plan, let's open the AI Portfolio Builder tab. Selecting Build My Portfolio launches the interactive questionnaire that gathers our baseline details. The first section focuses on basic demographics and objectives to align the portfolio's general direction. Setting your age helps the system establish an appropriate time horizon for long-term growth. The system needs to verify your country of residence to ensure all tax and regulatory guidelines are met. Opening the country dropdown displays the list of supported regions. Selecting your location ensures the recommended assets are fully compliant with local regulations. Next, we focus on what you are primarily working toward with these funds. If your focus is real estate, choosing buy a home aligns the strategy with a property purchase timeline. Alternatively, selecting financial independence shifts the focus toward long-term wealth accumulation. Specifying the target portfolio value gives the algorithm a clear milestone to calculate against. The time horizon defines how long your money will remain invested before you need to access it. Entering the number of years helps determine the balance between growth and risk mitigation. We also need to establish where you are starting from to map out the required path. Providing your current investment value ensures the calculations reflect any existing capital you have. With the baseline goals established, clicking Next moves us to the contribution planning stage. This section outlines how much and how frequently you plan to add capital to your account. Entering the initial lump sum tells the builder how much capital is ready to go immediately. Regular contributions are key to compound growth, so we need to define those parameters next. Typing in your recurring contribution amount sets the baseline for your ongoing savings rate. Choosing how often you make these deposits, like weekly, helps model the portfolio's growth curve. Identifying where these funds originate helps complete your overall financial profile. Selecting salary indicates that your regular investments are backed by steady employment income. These questions assess your broader financial stability to ensure investing is appropriate right now. Confirming your emergency fund status helps the system gauge if you have a safety net in place. Outstanding high-interest debt can heavily influence whether you should prioritize investing or repayment. Answering the high-interest debt question ensures the final plan is built on a solid financial foundation. Now that the financial foundation is set, clicking Next takes us to the risk profile section. These behavioral questions are designed to measure your comfort level with market fluctuations. Choosing how you would react to a temporary drop in value determines your emotional risk tolerance. Next, we look at your general philosophy regarding capital growth versus capital preservation. Selecting your preference helps balance the portfolio between stable assets and higher growth opportunities. We also need to consider if you might need to access these funds unexpectedly. Answering this helps the system decide if highly liquid assets should be prioritized. Indicating your familiarity with investing ensures the final recommendations match your comfort level. The system processes your answers to generate a calculated risk score and category. With your risk profile established, clicking Next brings us to brokerage and preferences. This step lets you customize where you invest and the specific asset classes you prefer to hold. Opening the brokerage dropdown lets you link your preferred investment platform. Selecting your platform ensures the recommended portfolio aligns with the assets available there. Choosing your account type helps optimize the strategy for your specific tax structure. You can now specify which asset classes you want to emphasize or exclude from your plan. Selecting stocks ensures individual equities are included in your personalized recommendation. Adding dividend ETFs targets consistent income generation as part of your overall strategy. We can continue selecting other asset classes to build a well-diversified mix. Including bonds adds a layer of fixed income stability to your asset allocation. Choosing cash equivalents keeps a portion of the portfolio highly liquid and secure. Selecting Treasury securities incorporates low-risk government backing into your asset mix. Adding international stocks provides global diversification outside of your home market. Choosing emerging markets introduces higher growth potential from developing economies. Selecting broad market ETFs ensures low-cost exposure to the wider stock market index. You can also review and set ethical preferences to align your money with your values. With all preferences locked in, clicking Generate My Portfolio processes your custom roadmap. Warifin now presents your recommended asset allocation, projected returns, and expected volatility. Selecting Choose This Portfolio saves this customized roadmap directly to your account. By analyzing your financial goals, risk profile, and asset preferences, Warifin has successfully generated a customized portfolio strategy tailored to your future.